Okay, this is a little video on our Pingel fuel valve. This Pingel fuel valve is set up for the 1978 KZ1000A. Comes with a gasket. Now this is all separately, but we're offering it as a kit. So you must run this adapter. So the adapter goes in here with the Allen bolts that they provide. Okay, easier said than done. Okay, so we're going to do this right here. Then the fuel valve threads on to, it's a dual outlet, threads on to this fitting right here, like so with the nut. Okay, now one of the snags that we have, this is overbuilt, but this is nice stuff. This is a nice fuel filter. The thickness. Okay, so you got to go into the tank right here. As you can see, there's still part of a tank right there. Notice the red metal right here. Okay, so what you have to do is when you put this on, it's not just going to go right in. So what you have to do is you have to file this out or take a die grinder. Now make sure there's no gas in it, because in case it sparks, you don't want to blow yourself apart. So make sure the tank is dry, perfectly dry, just for your safety. And then this goes inside it right here. And notice how thick it is right there? Because you got to do a little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So you have to lightly file this away right here. So what I would do in a perfect world here, I would take this, put the adapter on it right there, and take a little marker and mark exactly where you got to go a little bit. So make this like get a nice, you could do it with a round file, you could do it with a big drill, you could do it with a grinder. So take this out and then this will go right in. Now we feel in our heart that these Pingels are the best valve available. If you notice, it has an on, reserve, and off. Not all of them do, but the majority of them do. So always reserves in the middle, on, then all the way off. So this is what we recommend for the motorcycle. So, and it comes in a nice chrome looking part, and this is great. So we do offer these on our webpage. So this is how you put it on your motorcycle. Okay, thanks.